Bonjour, bonjour à tous. Hello everyone, guys. I am very excited to be here again with you. This is the second video I think I record, and I am doing it because I am feeling proud of the work you have been doing. That's why I'm doing this, because I am feeling motivated, because you are doing the work and you are enjoying it. So I am going to enjoy my teaching process and the distance also. So I hope you like this video. I'm going to try to make it very short and not talking a lot, because I know you probably get bored and maybe you're not going to listen to it. But the first thing was that I just wanted to congratulate you. Thank you. And I want to encourage you to continue working like this, because remember, despite all this difficult situation, the most important thing is that you can continue with your learning process. So congratulations for the ones that have been doing it. I know you are learning something, and this is what it is about. All right, so the second thing I want you to know is that this week I want to change the topic we have been working on. So we were working on cooking and recipes. I know it's never going to be the same. I had a lot of ideas for us to work on this unit at school. Remember, we were going to cook and bring some recipes, and I could also share with you some of my Colombian culture, but this is never going to be the same. Let me know if you want. I can record myself cooking at home some Colombian recipes, and if you like that, please let me know somehow. Send me an email or on Canvas, and I would love to cook for you. However, you cannot try the food, and I know it's terrible because you're going to watch me cooking and then you're not going to try the food, but I would love to do it, so let me know if you want, and I am going to be recording myself cooking some Colombian recipes for you. Another thing is the new unit we are going to be working on, and probably this is not the best thing or your favorite activity, because I know nowadays is the last thing you do, be honest, and it's reading. So, and reading in French is something that you're going to find challenging, or you are going to immediately say, I can't do it. And I want you to try. I found an interesting reading. I've always wanted to have this reading for you, and now I could find it. It's easy. The level is easy. Some of the words you're going to recognize them, and you're going to feel identified with the characters and with the story. So I am sure, 100% sure, that you're going to like it. Please give it a try, and you're not going to be alone reading. I'm going to be reading for you, and maybe in that way it's going to be more familiar with you. All right, so this is why I'm making this video. I want to read the first 3 pages of the book. We're going to start like that. The name of the book is Ma voiture à moi. What is voiture? Do you remember? So if you don't remember, please go and look for the meaning of the word online. I'm going to be posting the video on Canvas, this one, and also the name of the book, in case you cannot write it down immediately, but you can go to the resources and to the module resources, and then I'm going to be writing the name of the book. I'm going to upload the book in PDF and other resources. So go and look for the name and find out what is voiture, and once you find it out, you're going to send me a presentation with that voiture of your dreams. Maybe some of you already have one, maybe some of you would like to have one, but how is that voiture you'd like to have? The color, the size, everything you can tell me. And then once you do that, you're going to start trying to read the first 3 pages of the book. And for these, of course, there are going to be lots of words that you don't understand. It's normal, but try. Find as many words as you can, and you're going to write them down on that presentation. So in the same presentation with la voiture of your dreams, at the end you're going to create one slide only for vocabulary. And that is where you're going to write down those new expressions and words you'll find in the first 3 pages of the book. It can be an expression of 3 words or maybe just 1 word. Those things that you would like to know and you don't know how to say them, all right? And you can also write in another slide those words that you could easily recognize because you had studied them before and you could remember. So try doing this exercise because when reading, sometimes by context, this is all the words that are around that word you don't know, those words can help you identify the word. But if not, you always have resources and good ways of finding out what they mean. In Canvas and that resources part in the module, I'm going to be giving you some online tools for dictionaries because it's not always good to use Google Translate since you need to know more about the meaning of the word. Google Translate sometimes give you 5 different meanings and you don't know exactly which one is the one you want, so it's better to use an online dictionary for this. Okay, so I know we're going to have fun with this activity. Also, you're going to be practicing your reading skills and it would be awesome if you could feel that you could read something in French. All right, all the instructions are going to be clear and organized in the modules and in an email I'm going to be sending you. I just wanted to make this clear in the video. All right, so I think we can start now with our reading. Let me do this. So this is how I'm going to upload the document. But here in this arrow, you can set it in a horizontal way so that you can read it in your computer, iPad, or even in your phones if you prefer. So, ma voiture à moi. You have some explanation here of the authors and the copies and editorials. And this is chapitre 1. Which means chapter 1, right? So I'm going to be reading it for you. Of course, you can do these again at home and read by yourselves and find those words that you don't know, and you can also let me know which ones you already knew. So let's start. Chapitre 1. Aujourd'hui, c'est l'anniversaire de Ben Sullivan. Ben a 17 ans. Il sait ce qu'il veut pour son anniversaire. Il veut une voiture. Il veut avoir sa propre voiture. Ben Sullivan n'a pas de voiture. Il a plein de choses, mais il n'a pas de voiture. Il veut avoir sa voiture à lui. Il habite à une grande maison à San José, en Californie. C'est une maison avec une piscine et de nombreuses chambres. Il porte toujours de beaux vêtements neufs. Ben est un très beau garçon et sa petite amie est très jolie. Il joue dans l'équipe de basketball de son école. Sa petite amie s'appelle Mindy. Elle est très populaire à l'école. Ils sont tous deux des bons élèves. Ils ne sont pas les meilleurs, mais ils sont de très bons élèves. Il y a une seule chose que Ben voudrait et qu'il n'a pas. Il n'a pas de voiture. C'est l'horreur. Quand il va quelque part, il doit y aller dans la voiture de ses parents ou de ses amis. Numéro 2, page numéro 2. Parfois, il va au lycée à pied parce qu'il n'a pas de voiture. Son lycée se trouve à un peu plus d'1 kilomètre de sa maison. La seule chose dont il a envie est une voiture. Il a besoin d'avoir sa propre voiture. Il ne veut pas conduire la voiture de sa mère, c'est ridicule. Il a très honte parce que la voiture de sa mère est très grande. C'est une voiture familiale. Ce n'est pas une voiture pour un jeune, c'est un brick. Et Ben ne l'aime pas. Il voudrait avoir une voiture de sport. Ben pense qu'une voiture serait le cadeau idéal pour son anniversaire. Tous les amis de Ben ont leur propre voiture, alors il pense qu'il a besoin de sa propre voiture aussi. Son ami Steve a un Ford Mustang, Alex a une Toyota Camry et John a beaucoup de chance. Il a une BMW. Tous les élèves populaires du lycée ont une voiture. Ben va à une école privée. Dans cette école, les étudiants qui conduisent la voiture de leurs parents ne sont pas très populaires. Certains ne conduisent même pas de voiture. Ils vont au lycée à vélo. Ben pense que ce n'est pas normal qu'ils ne le passent sa propre voiture comme les autres étudiants populaires. Pour Ben, avoir une voiture est plus qu'une nécessité. Il est grand temps qu'il ait sa voiture. Ce soir, il va dîner à un restaurant très élégant avec ses parents. Il ne veut pas s'aller avec eux, mais il pense que ses parents vont lui offrir quelque chose pour son anniversaire. Il croit qu'ils vont lui donner le claf d'une voiture neuve. Qui pourrait bien être cette voiture? Peut-être une voiture de sport, une voiture bleue et très puissante, peut-être une Jeep pour pouvoir conduire dans les montagnes, peut-être une petite Volkswagen pour aller à la plage. La marque de la voiture lui est égale. Il veut seulement une bonne voiture, une voiture neuve. Peu lui importe la couleur, mais il ne veut pas d'un grec ou d'une voiture familiale. Il veut une voiture comme celle des autres élèves de son lycée. Ben est trop prête pour aller au dîner, lui demande sa mère. La mère est dans le bureau, elle travaille, et voilà. So, there we stop. There you're going to find that the reading continues, but we're going just to do up until page number 3. All right. So in that way we go step by step. We're not in a hurry. I just want you to learn, practice reading skills and vocabulary with this book that I know you're going to be identified with. So read all the instructions I have for you on Canvas, read my emails, and I just have to say congratulations guys for all the work you're doing. I know it's not easy. I hope you're doing great at home. I hope you are being safe and healthy, and let me know if I can help you somehow. I'm here for you, ready to teach you, to help you and to support you. Alright? C'est tout. Alors, au revoir, merci beaucoup et à la prochaine.